Hi beautiful people, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how I cook this delicious goat meat pepper soup. If today is your first day or first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you, and please don't forget to subscribe, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. As we always do, let me introduce you to the ingredients and let's get started. Here I have some goat meat, properly cleaned and washed. Seasoned cubes, grounded crayfish, chopped onions, pepper soup spices, some salt to taste. We have scent leaf, also known as nchuang, fresh pepper, some garlic powder, mixed pepper. Next, in a clean dry pot, add in the already cleaned goat meat, season with some seasoned cubes, chopped onions, garlic powder, fresh pepper, some salt to taste. Mix to combine. Then go ahead and cover the pot and let it cook on its own juice or produces its own juice. After some minutes, check the pot. As you can see, it produces its own juice. Now go ahead and season with some grounded crayfish. Add in the black pepper and the white pepper. Now go ahead and mix, stir to combine. Now add in some water to cover the meat generously or to the level of the content in the pot and keep stirring. Mix to combine. Now cover the pot and let it cook until tender. After some minutes now, check on the pot and give it a stir. Of course, we cannot do without stirring, right? Now go ahead and add in your pepper soup spices. Add in the mixed bell pepper, nchuang, known as scent leaf. Mix to combine. Feel free to taste for seasoning and adjust accordingly if required. Next, cover and let it simmer for a minute. After some minutes now, let's check on the pot. As you can see, it is done. Turn off the heat and it is ready. Our goat meat pepper soup is ready and enjoy warm. Okay guys, it can be served with agidi or in whichever way you prefer enjoying this amazing recipe. Thank you so much for watching. We have come to the end of this video. Hope you find this video helpful and see you on my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.